My name is Imran Sabir. I'm Vice President of Robotic Process Automation and Integration at OZ. I've been with OZ for about 12 years now, and I have 30 years of IT experience. So the most exciting technology trend of our time is using REST APIs to do integrations. Service-oriented architecture is still at the core of it. API-led connectivity and industry's adoption of microservices architecture is driving what is possible, and how we can increase the speed of delivery, IT capacity, and digital transformation as a result of this. Most underutilized application of automation and intelligent automation is its use as front-end integration tool, tapping into automating tasks of legacy systems. As Carl Flinder's chief reporter and senior editor at Computer Weekly reports that legacy systems are holding back 90% businesses. Use of front-end integration or lack of interface to legacy system is bottleneck can alleviate this problem. Using artificial intelligence and robotic process automation, these integration and automations can be made intelligent and meet current business needs while an organization undergo digital transformation. The best place for any organization to start automation project is to identify those processes which are well-defined, follow a rule structure, and highly repetitive in nature. Your human workforce should not spend 80% of the time working like a robot. That work should be left for robots to do. The time is best used tackling high-value tasks where they can use their experience and expertise. It definitely is becoming easier to integrate with your legacy system with advent in robotic process automation and artificial intelligence. Robotic process automations and artificial intelligence coupled together gives you intelligent automation. Power of artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to process unstructured data and integrate it with your modern databases or NoSQL databases. We are on the verge of saying goodbye to printed documents and associated human costs of transferring unstructured data present in these documents to information which modern system can use. Unstructured data poses the greatest challenge as it mostly is left for human interpretation and in most cases not available to business decision makers. You have SMEs who understand that data and controls it. Any data analysis and machine learning for trend analysis is almost impossible. With most RPA platform providing intelligent document processing, now that unstructured data is in everyone's reach. That data can be easily transferred to your data warehouse or your data lake, readily available for analysis to your machine learning components to identify trends and patterns and provide deep insight into information it encapsulates. Absolutely. Automation is there to free up your most valuable resources to work on high-value targets rather than doing mundane or repetitive work. Research has shown that with the introduction of RPA, job satisfaction among employees have increased as they become more productive doing tasks which use their skills at best.